Okay, so we're gonna talk today what comes in the TID 18 and PDC 18 combo kit. All right, first you're gonna see it comes in a Sustainer Generation 3 237 size. Let's look inside. Okay, inside you're gonna get, of course, the TID 18 impact. You're gonna get the PDC 18 drill driver hammer drill. You're going to get 2 lithium-ion high-power batteries, okay, 4 amp hour, the TCL6 charger. But there's more. Check this out. You're going to get the 1/2-inch keyless chuck for the PDC. You're going to get the right angle drill attachment for the PDC. You're going to get, I'm going to get right here, you're going to get the handle and the depth stop rod for the PDC, and also a belt clip that you can put on either side of your impact driver, the TID. Hey, and you can get it at any participating Festool dealer, online, or at the store.